Hi viewers, welcome to Ruhi's Recipes. Today's recipe is dates bhajji. Yes, you can make bhajji using dates. You might think that this would be too sweet, but trust me, it was not, and it was very delicious. Let's prepare the batter first. For this, take a bowl. Add quarter cup of gram flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and lastly half a cup of water. Now mix all this till there are no lumps in the batter. Now the batter is lump free and it should be of thick consistency. I am using Amal dates here. For making this bhajji, the dates must be really soft and these dates are really perfect. Take some dates, cut them into half and remove the seeds. Dip the dates in batter and fry it in oil till they become golden brown on both the sides. That's it, the bhajji is ready for serving. This is really very easy and healthy recipe. You can also give this to kids and the kids will really like them. If you like my recipes, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification button so that you don't miss out any updates.